Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body after you take that first bite of your meal? Imagine if your body had a secret life, a complex and fascinating journey that food undergoes, right beneath your very skin. Did you know that your digestive system is like your own personal subway system? But instead of trains, it has organs and enzymes zooming around to process your food. Let's hop on this underground journey and learn how this incredible system works. First, meet the mouth, your gateway to digestion. Here, the breakdown of food begins with every chew. Enzymes in your saliva start to break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. It's like having tiny workers in your mouth, prepping your food for its journey down. Have you ever thought about how your food feels being mashed and liquefied? It's like the ultimate spa treatment before the real adventure begins. Next, the esophagus takes center stage. It doesn't have teeth or enzymes, but it plays a key role, sending food to your stomach without you even thinking about it. Thanks to the peristalsis wave, it's like a slide that moves your food right to where it needs to go. No effort required. And now, the stomach, a mighty organ that's not just holding your food, but turning it into a semi-fluid mass. Here, powerful acids and enzymes work together to further break down your food, unlocking essential nutrients and minerals. But did you know your stomach has a protective lining that keeps it safe from its own acidic environment? It's like having an armor suit that ensures the acids do their job without damaging the walls. As we move beyond the stomach, we delve into the small intestine, the star player in nutrient absorption. It's like a busy marketplace where nutrients are traded from your digested food to your bloodstream. This is where most of the magic happens. Imagine if your small intestine were a busy stock exchange. Every nutrient is a hot commodity, and it's always a bustling trading day down there. Not to forget the large intestine, whose main roles are water absorption and ferrying waste. It's like the recycling and waste management department of your city, making sure everything is tidy and efficient. Finally, what's left exits your body, completing the digestive process. A journey that started simply with a bite ends with a well-coordinated natural process that sustains life. If you found the journey through your digestive system intriguing, imagine how fascinating it is to explore those weird, floaty things you see in your eye. Wonder what those are? Head over to our next video, What Are Those Floaty Things in Your Eye?, for another thrilling exploration. Don't forget to hit subscribe and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. We upload amazing content daily. And why just watch? Subscribe and comment below how your meals today traveled through this incredible system. Join the DriveBird Network today and let every day bring a new discovery right to your screen.